Did somebody say modular chessboard? This is day 18 of owning a 3D printer. Yes, you heard that correctly. A modular 3D printed chess set. As you can see, it comes in 2 colors, and it's also printed in 2 pieces, or 3 pieces. Connections, and then this is the white side. Ran out of filament, and I couldn't find clips on the black side. Anyways, the drawers hold the pieces, which they have both sides so that 2 friends can play. And like, look at this. You can put it on there and flick it off just as easy. It's crazy.